Hey everyone, it's time to take your detailing game to the next level with Majestic Solutions Boat and RV class. In this fun-filled day, we're going to have classroom theory, real-world hands-on application, and expert guidance from qualified CareTech instructors. Join Sean and I April 20th at our Raleigh retail store location, where you're going to receive pro-level boat and RV detail training.
And hear from our two special guests who are pros in the field.
If you want to be the best, you need to train with the best. Stop scrolling through social media and let's get to work. I will see you on April 20th.
If you're a detailer looking to step up your training, this is it. Don't wait a second more. Join me April 20th right here.
Get RV and boat certified April 20th. Sign up today, online, or give us a call at 919-604-6686.
See you there.